Hello friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Saurabh Singh Rajput and I am from Indore, India. So friends, in this video, we are going to talking about some important news. So friends, here are in India's Indus border dispute escalated. India is considering plans to significantly increase its water uses from the Indus River, which flows into Pakistan. This move could impact Pakistani agriculture downstream and is part of border tension between the two nations. The proposal is under review by Indian authorities. Rohingya refugee allegation. The UN has reported allegations from Rohingya refugees claiming that Indian authorities cast dozens of them into the sea near Myanmar. The Indian government has not yet responded to these serious accusations. PM Modi at Global Investor Summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Global Investor Summit in Bhopal, highlighting India's position as the world's fastest growing economy. And friends, as noted by the World Bank, he also emphasized Madhya Pradesh's role in India electric vehicle revolution. Khelo India Youth Games. The 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games concluded in Bihar, featuring over 10,000 athletes across 28 sports. Notable performances include gold medals for Anjali Rawat from Madhya Pradesh in Thang Ta and Aiseng Fa Gagoi from Assam is weightlifting. Global development. Turkey sues India over clearance issues. Turkey Salevi Group has filed a lawsuit against India, alleging that vague clearance pullbacks amid the Pakistan conflict have harmed its business operation. The case highlights ongoing tension affecting international partnerships. Pope Leo SIV addressed to diplomats. In his first speech to the diplomatic corps, Pope Leo SIV emphasized the Catholic Church mission to promote peace, truth, and justice, reaffirming its commitment to global humanitarian efforts. EU-India collaborations on environmental research. The European Union and India have launched Euro 41 million research initiative aimed at combating marine pollution and developing waste to renewable hydrogen solution, making a significant step in environmental cooperation. Market and finance. Global equity fund surge. Global equity funds attract the largest weekly inflow in 7 weeks, driven by the optimism over US-China trade relations and sign of easing inflation, signaling renewed investor confidence. Sport and events. Washington Mystic partner with Vanda Pharmaceuticals Monumental Sport and Entertainment announced. Vanda Pharmaceuticals inclusive as the official partner and jersey patch partner for the Washington Mystic, marking the pharmaceutical company inaugural investment in WNBA. Arab League Summit approaches. The 2025 Arab League Summit is scheduled for May 17 in Baghdad, Iraq. Key topics includes the situation in Palestine, national security, and counter-terrorism efforts in the Arab world. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez is the only European leader invited to attend. So friends, this is all about for today. Thanks for watching my video. Ram Ram.